What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on Rosel's activity, Rosel's beer band, I Look So Beautiful attends the event for Cloud9. Rosel's beer band captioned it, Take Liner Tonight with Neutron and James. Rosel's beer band, I look so pretty on her outfit, and she received some greetings congratulating her for engagement with her longtime boyfriend Ade. Rosel's beer band shows to everyone her big diamond ring, and as you can see, Rosaya and friends was so happy last night. Rosel's beer band was so ready for her wedding next year. The Cloud9 opening party was starring with the big stars like Bright and Antong and Rasaya, and they're the main character of the Channel 3. The opening till the event was done was so perfect. Many of them got supports to the opening of the Cloud9 event. The Thai and Thai artists have more opportunities to enter the entertainment industry at the international level, which is good to everyone.